Ababelethi baka uOlebogeng Mosime basathukiwe nanje begodu basebuhlungwini obukhulu ngemva kokuthi ubhova bulala umntanabo. Kufanele baveze ubufakazi bokuthi ngesikhathi sehlakalo isenzeka uOlebogeng bekasendaweni efaneleko nanga kwabo nokuthi akukho okusilinge ubhova onelunya loyo. Sisazi ngezomthetho sithi nangababelethi bomntwana bamangalela umnikazi wenja kufanele kube nephenyo elithola iqiniso lokuthi kwenzekeni kuhle nakuza kubulawa umntwana lo. Begodu umnikazi wenja kufanele ahlathulule bona ngiziphi indlela abazenzileko uqinisekisa bona injakha ayibaleki nokuthi amathwayo ayelelisa bona kunenje ingozi la ayabonakala.
The parents observed this horrific incident, and in this instance they can claim both special and general damages. With special damages, we talk of damages that can be quantified, easily quantified, such as your funeral expenses. They can claim that.
Masipalata wemangu uthi uzokwethula ijima lokufundisa izakhamuzi ngemithetho yokufuya kwezinja. Umkhandlu dorobha lo uthi umuntu ofuna ukuba nenja namkha osele anayo kufanele abe nemvume evela kibo.
People need to get a permit and licenses for some of these dogs. So that allows us a chance to regulate the ownership of dogs.
Dr. Wenlwane onzinze eBloemfontein uthi abanikazi bezinja kufanele bathole umbandulo ozobasiza ngokubandula izinja zabo. Uthi qhakathekile bona abobhova bajwayela abantu kunye nezinye izinja.
It's necessary to, when you're having this kind of dog, is to train the dog to listen to you, behave well, and socialize the dog. Get the dog used to other people, get the dog used to other animals.
Nakusenjalo, SPCA ithi inamagatsha eJohannesburg, Kimberley neVirginia eFree State. Kanti sebamukele abobhova bavela kubanikazi babo. Bona bayabathokoza kwanje abasabafuni babakholile.